Today, before we begin, take a moment with me. Take a moment to breathe. Inhale and exhale. See, the world feels a little heavy right now. You can feel it, not just on the news, not in what people are carrying on their faces, but in your own body. Maybe it's the tightness in your chest. Maybe it's the restlessness in your mind. Or maybe it's the feeling of not having enough rest when you wake up. And unfortunately, after some times of being exposed to this, everything becomes normal. The stress becomes normal, the pressure becomes normal, the disconnection becomes normal. But it doesn't mean that you have to live that way. See, sometimes when life becomes intense, it's an invitation not to go faster, but to slow down. So that's what we get to do today, to slow down, to come back to your body, to come back to the quiet place within, and not try to control everything outside. And today, I want to show you a simple way to begin. Once you go to the School of Breath app and click on Morning Ritual, you'll see 3 different options. First one is energy, balance. The third is calm. So you got to click on calm, and then you'll see 5 different breathing exercises to calm the nervous system down. All right, the first one we'll start with is diaphragmatic breathing. Bring the breath all the way into the belly, fill up the chest all the way to the shoulders, and as you exhale, first relax the chest and then pull the belly in. Second one we go into is alternate nostril breathing. Third one is box breathing to bring our mind to focus. The fourth one is humming bee breath, Bhramari Pranayama. We hum and bring this vibration on exhale in the hypothalamus area. This sends the body signal to simply relax. It prevents you from getting pulled from the noise outside and helps you center within. 5 is 3 chants of Om. This is to seal our practice and give 50-60 trillion cells in the body a message that it's time to slow down. It's time to go back to that homeostasis. So now come into cross-legged position and breathe with me, and we'll follow the School of Breath app prompts to guide us into a deeper breathwork practice. All right, now we begin with 6-3-9 diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale 6, hold for 3, and exhale 9. When you inhale, bring the breath in the belly. So we start, inhale 6, hold 3, exhale 9. Pull the belly in fully. Inhale 6, hold 3, exhale 9. Inhale 6, holding for 3, engaging root chakra. Exhale 9. Inhale, hold 3, exhale 9. Beautiful. 3 more times. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale, hold, and allow the breath to come out very slowly, and see if you can slowly come into meditation and focus on the whole body coming down. Beautiful. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. Now we go to alternate nostril breathing. We come into Vishnu Mudra. So bring your right thumb on your right nostril, and we start with breathing in from the left nostril. So if you're ready, focus on the spine being straight and Vishnu Mudra. Inhaling left, hold, exhale right. Inhale right, hold, exhale left. Beautiful. 3 more times. Inhale left, hold, exhale right. Inhale right, hold, exhale left. Inhale left, hold, exhale right. Inhale right, hold, exhale left. Beautiful. One last time. Inhale left, hold, exhale right. Inhale right, hold, and exhale left. Beautiful. Allow the breath to come out slowly. And now inhale left fully into the belly. Fill up the chest, holding for 30 seconds. And allow the exhale to happen from right nostril. And when you're ready, come into meditation. Come into Akasha Mudra, space element. Beautiful. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, now we go into box breathing. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale for 4, hold 4, exhale 4, and hold 4, engaging the root chakra. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4. Hold the root chakra as you hold again. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, and hold 4. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Inhale 4, hold 4, Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold again. And come into meditation. 30 seconds, chin mudra. Beautiful. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. Now we go into humming bee breath, Bhramari Pranayama. We're coming to 7 doors closing mudra. So we place the first 2 fingers on the eyes, third finger on the bridge of the nose and the mouth. All right, we come into 7 doors closing mudra. Inhale fully. And coming into meditation, and see if you can bring all the fingers to touch each other. Hakini Mudra. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, now we seal this practice with 3 chants of Om. Remember, Om is a tool to bring the energy from the lower chakra to the throat all the way towards the crown chakra. Ah, U, and So come into Hakini Mudra again, or you can simply come in Namaste. Inhale fully. Beautiful job. So if you like the app, make sure you share this practice on your Instagram so somebody else can be inspired. And my friends, that's all it takes. 12 minutes to go deeper into meeting your life with more awareness, more steadiness, more grounded energy. So the world may still be noisy, but now you have connected to something deeper, something which doesn't move with the world, and slowly start to change the reality, the way you perceive the world. And this is how the change begins, one breath at a time. So please go ahead and download the app if you haven't done so, and leave us a review on the app on which the energy, the balance, or calm breath work you like the most. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free chakra activation ebook and guided meditations. The link is in the description below. If this practice helped you feel calmer, more connected, the next step is our holistic membership. Inside, you'll get full access to all 9-week chakra balancing course, a guided experience through yoga, pranayama, healing mudras, and meditations to help you release emotional blocks, restore your energy, and bring your chakras into balance. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play Store. If you're ready to feel more grounded, confident, open hearted, and spiritually aligned, join the membership and begin your chakra balance journey today. I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, pranayama, breath work, and meditation in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Dugal. Thank you, namaste, and peace.